For biological life to originate and start evolving, a medley of a great number of factors is called for. The chief ones are liquid water, an energy source, and a certain chemical diversity. Apart from the Earth, several more places in the solar system are potential life-harboring candidates, with Mars as the most prospective one and most closely studied starting from the recent past. Still, there are chances of discovering alien life beyond its orbit too. All it takes is to have a closer look at the next closest planet to us after Mars if we look away from the Sun. Jupiter is the largest planet in the solar system. Its mass is 318 times that of the Earth. This is a gas giant made up mostly of hydrogen and helium. Apart from these, methane, ammonia, sulfur and nitrogen compounds and water ice have been detected in its atmosphere. In spite of the diversity of chemical compounds, the possibility of finding life forms on Jupiter itself is minuscule. What with the absence of any hard surface, high temperatures of the planet's inner layers and unimaginable pressure in its interior, biological creatures simply have no chances of survival. At the same time, Jupiter boasts quite a vast array of moons. 4 of the most well-known ones, Io, Callisto, Ganymede and Europa, were discovered as far back as in 1609 by Galileo Galilei. Quite close to the Moon and Mercury in size, they are on the list of the largest satellites in the solar system. It is also suggested that Jupiter accumulated substantial amounts of thermal energy due to gravitational contraction when forming. As a result, it is now giving off more of this energy than it is getting from the Sun. That is why the gas giant, with all the objects orbiting it, may be seen as a curious version of the solar system in miniature. At first glance, Jupiter's moons may appear to have no prospects in terms of searching for extraterrestrial life. Far from the Sun, they are encased in ice, and their atmospheres are not dense. However, on closer scrutiny, these celestial objects reveal something excitingly promising. Callisto, Europa and Ganymede are highly likely to have liquid oceans under the ice shell. Estimates show that space objects with concealed oceans may offer favorable conditions for life even if they are much further from their star than planets like our Earth are from the Sun. The thick icy shell on their surface serves not only as protection against radiation and meteorite infall, but also acts as fairly good thermal isolation. That is why it is feasible that conditions inside a massive layer of water may be good enough for life to originate and evolve there. These assumptions make Jupiter's satellites some of the most attractive objects for exploration within the solar system.